Namaste. Do you want to learn Hindi? Are you excited to start your learning journey in an easy to understand and step-by-step process? Are you looking for a teacher who can guide you at every step and gives you excellent tools and loads of real-life examples to help you along? Then this is it. Hi everyone, my name is Jo, and I will be your instructor throughout your Hindi learning journey. I am the founder and director of edX Hindi and Sakshar Language Center, Singapore. In this course, you will find 13 videos followed by a quiz in the end. Each video focuses on a different theme. In this course, you will also learn the pronunciation of vowels and consonants in Hindi Devanagari script. The course is in a bite-sized chunks so that by the end of this course, you are able to memorize all the day-to-day thematic functional Hindi vocabulary words with their correct pronunciation. In this course, we will make use of flashcards to teach new vocabulary words. You will also find the transliterated version for every word and sound in this course. These Hindi vocabulary words can be used in a day-to-day conversation. I will provide you with best practices and expert tips that we have used in our work with hundreds of students. Also, you won't be passively listening in this course. As you go through each video, you will do repeat after me exercise as a part of every video. To test your knowledge, there is a quiz at the end of this course. First, let's go over some tips for practicing pronunciation of vowels, consonants, and words so that you know how to get the most from this course. How to practice pronunciation. 1. Do the repeat after me exercise. 2. Say the words again and again. 3. Record your voice and listen to it. 4. Compare your pronunciation with my pronunciation or with a Hindi native speaker. 5. Listen as much as possible. 6. Practice the Hindi words every day for at least 2 minutes. 7. Listen and memorize. And if you have any problems, feel free to get in touch with me. I will be happy to help you. Enjoy the course and good luck. Dhanyavad.